Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Are you looking to stake your XRP on Coinbase? Let us clarify what's possible and explore alternative ways to earn rewards. So guys, XRP operates on the XRP ledger, which uses a consensus protocol rather than a proof of stake mechanism. This means traditional staking, as seen with cryptocurrencies like Ethereum or Solana, is not applicable to XRP. Consequently, Coinbase does not offer staking services for XRP. Their staking options are limited to assets that support proof of stake, such as Ethereum, Solana, and Polkadot. So while you can't stake XRP directly in the traditional sense, some platforms provide opportunities to earn rewards through sending or liquidity provision. For instance, services like Nexo offer interest on XRP rate holdings, but it's essential to understand that these are lending activities, not staking. So, in summary, while staking XRP on Coinbase isn't possible due to its consensus mechanism, alternative methods like lending exist. So, just ensure you understand the associated risks before proceeding. For more crypto insights, subscribe and stay informed. See you next time.